Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will guide you through the process of replacing the trigger on your Dyson V10 vacuum cleaner. This is a common issue that can affect the performance of your vacuum, but with the right tools and guidance, you can do it yourself. First, let's gather the tools you will need for this repair. You will require a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure you have a clean workspace ready to perform the replacement. Begin by unplugging the vacuum cleaner and ensuring it is completely powered off. Safety is our priority. Now, let's take a look at the trigger mechanism. To access the trigger, you will need to remove the back cover of the vacuum. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew the two screws located at the back. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover off. This will expose the internal components of the vacuum. Take a moment to inspect the area for any dust or debris. It's a good practice to clean this internal space with a dry cloth or compressed air before proceeding. A clean environment will ensure that your vacuum operates smoothly. Now, locate the trigger assembly. You will see that it is connected to the main body with two small screws. Use your Phillips head screwdriver again to carefully remove these screws. As you do this, be cautious not to drop them into the vacuum. If you find it challenging to reach, a pair of tweezers can help you retrieve them easily. With the trigger screws removed, gently lift the trigger out of its slot. Inspect the old trigger for any signs of damage. If it appears worn out, it's time to replace it with a new one. Insert the new trigger into the same slot, ensuring it fits snugly. Now, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Replace the screws for the trigger using your Phillips head screwdriver, tightening them securely. Next, place the back cover back onto the vacuum and reinsert the two screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is aligned correctly before tightening. If you encounter any issues or don't have the tools required for this repair, don't worry. We offer professional diagnosis without obligation. You can also take advantage of our pickup and delivery service at your home, so you don't have to worry about any calls or travel. Once the screws are tightened, give the vacuum a quick check to ensure that the trigger is functioning properly. Press the trigger a few times to confirm it engages smoothly and easily. If everything looks good, you have successfully replaced the trigger on your Dyson V10 vacuum cleaner. Before concluding, remember that if at any point you feel unsure about the process, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency and peace of mind. Thank you for following along in this tutorial, and happy cleaning! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.